let us understand how to create a sales account, that is domestic sales and export sales and how much percentage that we can enter. So I just start with domestic sales, okay, under sales account, okay, and here you can enter whatever your sale is. Next is export sale, under sales account. Next comes sales. You can also add some percentage, what is the sales percentage that you are selling directly, and that's all. Next class we'll discuss about the purchase account, or we'll do it here only because it's not even 1 minute work. Purchase account, purchase account, under purchase account, okay. Here we have to select sales account under purchase account, okay. Next one is transactions, under purchase account, okay. I hope that's all. Next class we'll discuss little about the indirect expenses and the direct expenses. Thank you.